President Bongbong Marcos announced the 12 senatorial candidates he's endorsing in the 2025 midterm elections. Marcos bears the administration's official slate tagged as the Alyansa para sa Bagong Pilipinas at the Philippine International Convention Center in Pasay City on Thursday, September 26. The administration's senatorial bets include re-electionists, cabinet members, and former senators, among others. Among the candidates are Senators Amy Marcos, Pia Cayetano, Lito Lapid, Francis Tolentino, and Bong Revilla. The slate also includes Interior Secretary Benhur Abalos, ACT-CIS Representative Erwin Tulfo, Las Piñas Representative Camille Villar, and Makati Mayor Abby Binay. Completing the lineup are former Senators Manny Pacquiao, Tito Soto, and Ping Lacson. Each candidate comes from different political parties, namely Partido Federal ng Pilipinas, Nationalist People's Coalition, Lakas CMD, and the Nationalista Party.